Have you ever think about microchip? What is microchip? How they work and how it's play important role to run many electronic devices. Good evening friends, welcome to my channel Learning with Raja. Today we will talk about what is microchip and how they work. Microchip. Microchip is also known as integrated chip. It is a small component that contains thousands, millions, or even billions of microscopic parts. These parts mostly like transistors, which are small on switches. You can also think them as tiny gate that controls flow of electricity. When microscopic parts are arranged in complex pattern, then it's created a microchip. Microchip contains information, make decisions and run software. Microchip takes the data, processes it and splits out the result. Inside the chip, the signals are traveled through the circuit, tiny pathways, and attached with silicon. Microchip is created with silicon. Its data is represented by binary codes 0 and 1. When transistor is off, then it represents 0, and when transistor is on, it represents 1. Even to go deeper, a microchip is made of binary codes called machine language, which is basic machine language understood by computer. This code tells the microchip how to work step by step using combination of 0 and 1. Inside the microchips, there are many sections to work specific tasks. Some work like memory management, communication, perform basic calculation tasks, and etc. It is happen in lightning speed, synchronized with a clock that run every task in a rhythm. So even think the microchip doesn't think like human. It knows how to work, how to process and how to resolve the problem. By flipping billions of microscopic switch at right time. Now we will know about how to create microchip. Microchip is basically created by silicon plate, which contains many types of electronic wires, data, transistors, resistance, and many more. It starts from silicon. Silicon comes from sand, and silicon is a semiconductor of electricity. It can conduct electrical parts, but not as freely as metal. So it is perfect for microchip. Manufacturers take ultra pure silicon and cut it into thin wafers. Then a process begins. Equal parts of science and magic, called photolithography. It is a process of make microchip. This is where the light is used to etch incredibly small patterns onto the wafers. Chemicals, iron beams, vaporized metals are added layer after layer onto the wafer to build a microchip, to build a complex network of transistors and connections. There are many kinds of microchips depending on their jobs, like CPU, Central Processing Unit, known as the brain of the computer. It does general tasks, and GPU, Graphics Processing Unit. It handles images and graphics, and a special microchip that do specific tasks, NPU. It is used for artificial intelligence and some specific tasks like mining the cryptocurrency. You might not see the microchip, but it is everywhere, like in your phone to control messages, text, videos, reel scrolling, apps, etc. In your car to control brakes, speed, accelerator, handle in your cycle, aeroplanes and refrigerator, washing machine, everywhere. So microchip is everywhere in the world. That's why the modern world is so tightly attached with the microchip. Microchips are small, but it builds the foundations of digital world. So thank you friends for listening.